Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row, and we're making spice cider.
So you need 1 bottle of cider, some orange peel and some cinnamon, and I think I might put some cloves in a minute.
So here it is, bubbling away at the moment. Carol's just going getting some cloves and sugar to put in it.
3, that should be about enough.
3 cloves. Now you might be wondering why we're doing this, because we're going to go do some wassailing in a minute. If you don't know what wassailing is, it's the blessing of your fruit trees in your garden for a better harvest in 2021.
Put the sugar in, and now it's fizzing a little bit. Sugar to taste, and let it simmer for a little while. Do not boil.
So can you repeat after me? Apple tree, bear good fruit. Or down with your top and up with your root. That's what we're going to say while we anoint our trees with cider. So we're going to go outside now, you can see.
Apple tree, bear good fruit. Or down with your top and up with your roots.
We're now going to put cider on the tree. You're drinking it?
No chance.
No chance.
It's lovely. Apple tree, bear good fruit. Or down with your top and up with your roots.
Wassail! No more for you, you've had enough. If you enjoy our films at Life on Pig Row, and why wouldn't you? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for viewers who are thinking that little D was drinking actual cider, he wasn't. He had warm apple juice. Until next time, bye bye.